Thestylepilot. I'm here again real quick. Again, I'm back again. Up in this. Blah. Listen, I had a new pickup. I decided to do a quick video on it before I started using my camera. You know, I got my camera, y'all. I don't know what the hell I'm doing with it yet. But I got my camera right now. I'm doing the video on my computer and shit. But we're going to get to it. Anyway, comment, like, subscribe. Getting right into this, as you can see from below. Guys, I haven't been buying as many, like, Nikes and stuff and all that stuff. Because I got too much shit. Like, already. I'm trying to get into other things. But I saw this shoe. The first Westbrook I saw, I was like, yo, this is hot. They're not going to come out with any more good colorways. And Nike has been surprising the hell out of me. The all-star version of these, online, they look good. So let's get right into it and see what they look like in person. I just got this out of my mailbox. Oh, okay. I'm unboxing these joints for y'all. Maybe you like it. Maybe you don't. Maybe this is your stilo. Maybe it's not. But I like Russell Westbrook as a player already, right? So I was hoping they were going to come out with some good-looking shoes. You know how Chris Paul had all those whack-ass Jordans and Melo had all those whack-ass Jordans for all those years? Like, I don't even want to hoop in those. Like, yeah, it's good that they got a shoe, but, you know, I got a pair of those Melos, the last pair of Melos that were kind of like the 20s or something, and they're really good hooping shoes, but they ugly as shit. But they really good to hoop in. But anyway, that's a whole nother note. Open this up. Ooh, this is a nice little sturdy Jordan box. Yeah. Got some little, what's this plastic for? Oh, maybe it was one of those bubble joints. It's big bubbles. But here's the box. You know. What does it say on the thing? It says, why not Jordan 0.2? I don't know why are they doing this 0.2 shit? Women's 13, a men's 13, a women's 14 and a half. All right, it's the bottom of the box, other side of the box, and it opens up like that. The new Air Jordans, new Air Jordans, baby. You guys remember that? All right, but it's a really sturdy box. You got black paper and all that in it, little white paper. Put together neat. And here we go. And and there you have it right here. Look at that. Look at this monstrosity right here. Wait, let me move this box out of the way. Look at this thing. Check that out. You know, it's got the, I heard that this is 3M. Online it shows that it's 3M. But it's got the cement, it's got desert camo, it's got regular camo, and then it's got like another kind of camo on the back side. This is orange. You probably can't tell from my whack lighting. The dope part of it is the normal tag. The tag is on the bottom. So, shoestrings are yellow. I think I'm gonna take the neon yellow shoestrings out and put some black ones in there. They might tone it down a little bit. But I think these are pretty cool. Am I going to wear these a lot? Probably not. What I'm going to really do, honestly, I'm keeping 100, y'all. I'm going to wear one of these, and then the other, hold on. Let me get my shoe out. Let me get it out. Because I got it out a little bit. I got it out a little bit. I'm going to do this right here. Call me crazy. But I'm going to do this. I'm going to wear them like this. What you think? I don't care. I'm gonna do this, dog. I like these. Like, I mean, like I said, the most signature player has gotten from Jordan. I don't even remember if anybody's really had a really nice signature Jordan shoe since I've been a kid. You know what I mean? You guys remember? I remember it was a big thing when they first started making like Team Jordan. So like the Team Jordan. This is like, hold on, let me go in my vault some more. Hold on, let me see if I got these. Oh yeah, I do it right here. Okay, dude, y'all remember these? Dude, when I was in middle school and they started making Team Jordans, I remember these because the regular Jordans were like 120, something like that, and they started coming out with these Jordans. The fact that like you can get a Jordan for $80, like it wasn't what Michael wore, but these were the team Jordans. So that's when they started getting like Vin Baker, Ray Allen, Derek Anderson. Is his name Derek Anderson? All those guys, they were all part of Team Jordan. So they would wear these in their own special colorways. Eddie Jones. Y'all can go look those guys up. But I remember it was a big deal. And everybody had these. I didn't have these when I was younger. I had the white, where it was white where the black is, and black where the white was the total opposite. And I remember in 8th grade, they had the Michigan color, they had the North Carolina color of these. They had all different types of colors. But one of my best friends, he had the black pair, and I had the white pair. So I would wear. We were playing games, middle school games, and I would wear his black shoe and my white shoe. It was just dope. It was just a big deal because when I was a younger kid, I had all the shoes, but I had a lot of different shoes. But I was real big on Penny Hardaway's, right? But I never would get. It would be rare if I would get like the regular Jordan, like the Jordan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, because everybody had them. And I got, back then they didn't have a bunch of different colorways. They came out with 4 colorways a season. You know what I'm saying? Maybe 5. They had an all-star colorway, and then they would come out with the playoff and finals versions or whatever. But everybody had those. But when they started coming out with Team Jordans, it made them better. It made it more options for kids to have. And these were a lot cheaper. So you can get, instead of getting one pair of these, or one pair of the other joints that end up being like $130 after tax, you could damn near get 2 pair of these. But yeah, I went way off on the tangent and got nostalgic for a second. But yeah, as far as these Westbrooks, good job. Good job. Russell, I don't know if you had any input in these, but these kind of remind me, like I said, of Balenciaga Triple S. If they come out with a low top of these, low top version of his signature shoe, I'm on that hard, especially if they have a good colorway. The colorways that have been coming out so far, you guys, if you hashtag it on Instagram and just hashtag the name of his shoe, dude, they got some good colorways. They got a black Cement 3 version of them. They got like a black camo version of them with like orange hints and stuff on them. Then they had the Super Soaker version, which is alright. But they're doing a pretty good job. So shit, I might with my hoodie match my hoodie a little bit. Can I come down with this on? I don't know. All right, that's pretty much it, man. Comment, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, I will answer them like that. Okay. Tell a friend about the channel. But anyway, remember, if you don't remember nothing else, you are the flyest motherfucker on earth. I'll see y'all later. You heard?